let's dive into the mind of a songwriter. How do songs come to you?
And what songwriter are we talking about?
Well, we could talk about any one of them, but I'd rather talk about the best, which would be you, so since you're right here.
Well, I don't know about that, but let's see. How do they come to me?
How do songs appear? How does songs get from mere ideas? Is it the same way all the time? Does it happen differently?
For me, no, it's not the same way all the time. I guess there's no way that I really can sit down and, well, like I was saying about trying to write a song for my son, I was consciously sitting down and had a purpose to it and wanted to do it. And maybe that's why it took so long too, is because for me, it doesn't really happen because I want it to happen. It happens just because I get inspired by something I see or by something someone says, or usually by another, like I'll see a couple or I'll see someone, going through something, and I will kind of put myself in their shoes. So it's having that empathy for feeling what someone else is feeling and trying to imagine what it would be like if I were in their shoes.
They walked along as I ran by, and something about them caught my eye, and I had to turn and stare. He held her close, and she tucked in tight. Didn't say a word, but it was right, 'cause they didn't seem to have a care.
There's a song I wrote called Hand to Hold on the album. And it's funny because I was running in Ala Moana Beach Park, and this little couple came walking by, just, sauntering by real slow. They must have been like 80, seriously. But this cute little couple, and the man reached over and he just grabbed her hand, and they were like holding hands and walking. And I seriously had to stop. And I turned around and I was looking at them just like smiling, and I thought, that's what I want. I just want a hand to hold, that's all you need sometimes. And that's where that song came from. And really, the song speaks for itself because the lyrics go, well, I, ran along as they walked on by, and something about them caught my eye. And yeah, it's about them holding each other's hand and just wanting that feeling.